we are focused on bulk production as well as batch one production. So what it does, it gives you, with automation, gives you a lot of flexibility. Here we have diverse product lines, which can produce any product under one roof. So for example, we're doing kitchens, door, wardrobe, office, home, processing very variable material, which is very, very unique in the world.
My name is Munir Ul Haq. I'm working as head of production in Interwood.
Our production facility is a modern, state-of-the-art manufacturing operation employing around 850 skilled professionals working in structured 24/7 shifts. The facility integrates advanced machinery, including 5-axis CNC, hydraulic presses, automatic PVC edge banders, and laser cutting, with specialized handcrafting capabilities, enabling both speed and precision.
My role is to produce quality product based on the standardized or customized requirement of the clients with operational excellence and cost-effective manner.
This allows us to achieve mass production while maintaining the level of detail required for premium manufacturing. Our workforce is trained across critical functions, ensuring that every stage of manufacturing, from cutting to final finishing, meets stringent quality standard.
Interwood. Reimagine your world.